Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about first day of homeschool traditions, what we do, how do we celebrate our first day back, how do I make it fun and magical, and I can't wait to share with you guys what we do. It's nothing grand and amazing, but it is something that is just simple and sweet, and my kids have really come to love, and so have I. This is a collaboration hosted by me, and the playlist for it will be down below in the description bar, so make sure that you check it out. See how all of the other moms celebrate their first day of school, and I can't wait to go watch it and see what kind of wonderful ideas they have, and maybe even get some ideas to work into our future years. So the first thing that we do is we take a back to school picture. There are so many times that I see new homeschool moms posting on Facebook like, oh, I don't know if I made the right decision. I'm starting to feel guilty. I see my friends posting their kids going back to school, their first day of school photos, and I feel like they're missing out on something. And that drives me crazy, because I'm like, why do you feel like they're missing out on something? Take them outside and take the picture. So if you happen to be a new homeschool mom, my best advice to you is take the picture. So for years we had the little chalkboard that had their name and what their interests were, what grade they were going into, and I loved it, but somewhere along the way I lost it and I have no idea where it went, and I have yet to replace it. So for the last couple of years, what I have done is I have gone to Google or Canva, and I have created or found one that is already created of a picture that has a spot for their name, what grade they're going into, what their interests are, what they want to be when they grow up, and we go outside and we take a picture with that paper. And I actually like that so much more than the chalkboard. Not hating on the chalkboard, they're beautiful and wonderful, and don't get me wrong, they're aesthetically pleasing, and I love a good photo. But I love the picture so much more because it's something that we can keep long term. I can put it away for them. It doesn't take a lot of space, and I can save it in a binder, and I love that they'll have that as they grow up and get older, and one day they can pull that out and they can just look at, what they wanted to be when they were in first grade, and what they wanted to be when they were in third grade, and then just in all of the years as they grew. So we really love that. Like I said, you can find stuff like that on Google or Canva for very inexpensive or completely free, and I love doing that. And one of the things that I saw, I believe it was CJ from Homeschooling Through High School, that she does is she also takes a last day of school photo. And I don't know why I've never thought of that before, but I think that that is such a brilliant idea, because then you can see how they grew, not just, over the years, but for that whole year, what their interests were on the first day, and if they stayed the same on the last day, and just, how they grew. And so I think I'm going to do that this year for my kids, is take a last day of school photo. I have my list, so you might see me looking down. Now, the next thing that we do, and I do this not just for the first day of school, but I do it for all holidays. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen some over the years. I really need to get better at posting over there. I'm really bad with social media. However, we make a special breakfast, and I love to do this because my kids light up. It's something that they look forward to. They get so excited, and I genuinely enjoy doing this. So it will usually be pancakes. Sometimes it might be French toast or waffles, but I will make them a special breakfast out of the norm, and then I'll decorate the pancakes with whipped cream and sprinkles. And for the first day of school, I usually write what number grade they're going into, and then I'll make some bacon or sausage, and just a special breakfast that they really enjoy. For Christmas, I'll usually make pancakes cut into the shape of Christmas trees, or Easter, I'll do like bunny butts. Thanksgiving, I'll usually do like little turkey pancakes. It's something that's really fun. I'm not a pro, okay? Sometimes they look like a hot mess, but regardless of whether they're super adorable or kind of rough looking, my kids absolutely love them, and I love seeing the joy on their face when they see their special breakfast. Now, the last thing that we do, and it really depends on finances, on how big or small we do this. And one disclaimer that I want to put out that I should have put at the beginning of the video is that no matter what you see me or other moms in this collaboration doing, don't get caught in the comparison game. Just because one mom does something doesn't mean you have to do it that way. It doesn't mean that your first day of homeschool is any less special than hers or mine or theirs or anything like that. You know, we're all just doing what we can, and sometimes there's going to be different years for different things. Sometimes there might be financial struggles. Sometimes you might have just had a baby and you're just too exhausted to do these things and you're really just in survival mode. I know that was me this past year. There were tons of things that I wanted to do with and for my kids that I didn't get a chance to do because we just had a baby. So just want to put that disclaimer that your homeschool does not have to look like everybody else's. These are only ideas that we're giving you guys, things that have been cherishing moments for us, and that, you know, you can either utilize this year or in future years or not at all. So one of the last things that I like to do is put together little gift bags for my kids. A lot of the times this is going to be special school supplies. Not all the time. Sometimes we'll do shoes if they need brand new shoes, or if there's a certain pair that they were really interested in. One year my son had gold light up shoes. He absolutely loved them. It was such a fun gift to give him. But usually it'll be like special school supplies that aren't just like the common like pen and paper. So for example, my son loves art and he loves drawing. So in previous years, we've gotten him either really good colored pencils or really good markers, and we put that together in a little bag with him for some chocolates. And sometimes it'll be brand new water bottles for the year with some waterproof stickers so they can spend part of the day or the morning decorating their brand new water bottle. For my daughter, she also loves like doing arts and crafts, so sometimes we'll get her some of the beginning sewer kits that are from Amazon, and she'll sew her little puppets and things like that. And it's nothing that's extravagant, but it's something that's just special that they enjoy getting. And it's funny because my daughter a few days ago was like, when are we starting our school year back up? And I was like, I've been really bad at planning, you guys. Like, I have a general idea when we're gonna start. I just haven't pinpointed the actual day yet. And so I was like, you know, I'm not sure. Are you looking forward to starting up our homeschool again? Do you want to start soon? And she was like, no, I just want my presents. So it's something that's become very near and dear to her heart, and something that I love that she enjoys it, and that she knows that the first day of school is going to be special. And I think those special feelings tie in with, you know, actually kicking off our year. So that is how we start our homeschool year. What are some of your first day of school traditions? I would love to hear it down below. Don't forget to check out the playlist, see how all of the other moms kick off their first day of homeschool. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you again later. Bye.